Man, I just wanted to take a second and show you guys the setup here. Finally finished all the painted pieces for the event. I mentioned I was going to paint them with a weathered look. So we can see here, Japan, America. Hopefully this is coming out good. It's a little early, kind of dark. But facilities all were painted to be aged copper. It's great. It's our first game today with the tournament setup. And what I mean by the setup, I mean by the pieces. Setup is, of course, out of box, with the exception of the China. But every table has these pieces like this. Every table has the aged copper facilities. Each table has the facilities. You'll notice a few sculpts I replaced. UK has different transports and a few battleship variants. America, those P-38s were replaced, the mechs were replaced, and the tanks were replaced. Got quite expensive. Oh, and back to UK, those mechs were also replaced. Germany, their transports were replaced, in addition to adding a bunch of aircraft and tank variants. Just added a couple different tanks in there. Italy, I think nothing changed on Italy, just added more units. Here you go, see the UK, their TAC fighters were replaced with something that looked more like a TAC bomber versus the out of box kind of looked like a bomber. See how beautiful those mechs are for UK. Beautiful, beautiful. Russia had just some tanks added, a couple T-26s, maybe a couple Joseph Stalins in there. But like I said, our first game today with the painted pieces. We've got a 2-on-2 games today, and all of which are bloodbathers. So they're getting their practice in. Alright, well that's quick enough. Hopefully, like I said, it's super early, it's super dark, and I got a couple lights on in here, and hopefully it's coming out. But super excited. These pieces just pop against this map. The copper looks great against the map. Alright guys, well that's enough time. I do want to do a few more videos before people start showing up about the bloodbath, so we're going to cut this one off, and we'll see you in a minute. Bye bye.